Good evening. My name is Mr. Sadler, and this is MCR3U Grade 11 Math. I'm recording this video just to introduce myself to the parents and the students, and to show the students how to find me on the web, find the videos online, and yeah, just see them. So and introduce and tell the parents any interesting things. And that is a university. Okay, let's start off here with a few things. Number one is contacts. Number one is to sign your son or daughter's course outline. So today your son or daughter will have received a piece of paper letting them know and you know anything interesting about the course and about how all the marks are obtained. Please sign that if you will. I can also be contacted by email, and that is mr.sadler@gmail.com. And that's meant to be used for if your son or daughter has questions about homework, they can send me the question, I will give a response. I have two small children who go to bed at about 8:30 p.m., so I'm available for help from 8:30 till 10:30. As well, if you guys have any questions about the course or how your son or daughter is doing, please send me an email. Thirdly, if you're going on vacation for a week or two, please as well let me know in that way. If you want to contact me by phone, the school phone number is 519-376-4278. The website is http://www.mrsadler.net, I should say. Excuse me, I've been doing that site for a few years. What we have on it is the list of every assignment, every lesson that I do. There will be a video link to YouTube, which will be on there as well. There will be a PDF copy of what I'm writing on the board every day for your kids. So if they miss a day or they miss something in class, they can get it from there. As well, I'm also on YouTube. If you do a search for Sadler Math, you will find me. And what I have is I've done a compilation of a few lessons I've done throughout the years, and I'm going to try this year to record every lesson that I've done and put it up there. So if your son or daughter misses a day of class, I'll hopefully have them up there by about 5 o'clock. As well, if your son or daughter is looking to study for before the test, they can do so as well. Responsibilities, this will be the next part. Your son or daughter is in a senior academic math, so the intensity is going to pick up a little bit. The way I teach this course is that 2 years from now, I expect your son or daughter to be taking first year calculus at the University of Waterloo. So that's what I'm preparing them for. Again, it's not the end of the world. I'm a fun guy. I'm a good guy. We'll get through this course. It'll be good. But just that's the level to be at. Let's start off with the basics. They will need a ruler. They can buy that from me for about $2. I sell rulers for. Graph paper I also sell for $2. And a scientific calculator. I bought a decent one when I was in high school for about $20, and it lasted me all the way through university, and for a few years through teaching until I lent it to a student who didn't get it back. So if you do that, that'll be good if they take good care of it. I also calculators for sale for $10, the scientific ones that'll work in this class. As well, and I want to put this on here, and we're going to go as slowly as I can. There will be approximately 1/2 to 1 hour of homework per night. And I will check it every day. My whole thing is you don't get good at math by watching, you have to actually do it. And the way I teach the course, There is a little time for practice in class. We'll all do an example in the class and repeat. But I teach pretty much right to the wall, 75 minutes every day, so it's not like there's an extra half hour at the end of the period to get their homework done. That will not happen. And in math, again, to sit and watch. Of course, you can understand it by the way I teach, and at the end of the class, you will understand what you're doing, but you have to lock it in for yourself in the evenings. That's the only way to get good at math. I'll also say what responsibilities. I'm going to hit pause here while I look at my notes. One sec. This is the cool part of technology. You have no idea that I'm taking a break here. Maybe. Yes, the most important part of all is what I've forgotten, which is marks. I'll just lighten it up a bit. There will be a quiz every Wednesday. That'll just be a short one-page quiz, 10 marks, to show me that you understand the material that we're doing it as we do it. There will be one assignment and one test per unit. So what I do generally is I will finish the unit on a Friday, and then the test will be the following Tuesday. Students normally get their assignments on about Wednesday or Thursday, so then they have the weekend to work on it. And then Monday is review class, so if there's any questions, we can go through that in class. The expectation is most of the assignment will be done, though, by the time the review class is started for that. As well, there'll be a final exam and a midterm, but we'll talk about that a little bit longer as time goes on here. Finally, we'll talk about, got to pause here, I lost track there, one sec. You go. Okay, finally the last part is going to be is help. One of the reasons I became a teacher was to help students. That's what I like to do. There's daily help at lunch. So again, normally what kids do is they bring their lunch in and work on some questions. Hopefully I'm not too frightening. If I am, there's a general help. There's general math help on Tuesdays and Thursdays in room 319. But every math teacher here at St. Mary's is excellent. They're all willing to help. As well, I'm here before school. I should say before school. Approximately 8, and then after school upon request. And also remember email as well. Okay, so welcome back, folks, and I hope you have an enjoyable semester. Hope you learn lots, hope you work hard, and hopefully for the parents, I will see you at parent-teacher interviews in a month or so when it is. Okay, see ya.